Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix freezing in Valorant, then this is the right video for you. First, search Riot Client on your computer. Then click on Open File Location. Now right-click on Riot Client. Then click on Open File Location. Now copy the file name as shown here. After that, search and go to Graphics Settings on your computer. Now click on Browse. Here, paste the file name that you just copied. Then click on the arrow as shown here. Now select Riot Client Services and click on Add. After that, go to Riot Client and click on Options. Choose High Performance and then Save. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.